Did you know there's a bird with the largest wingspan of any living species? Meet the albatross, a remarkable seabird known for its impressive size and extraordinary flying abilities. Albatrosses are among the largest flying birds, with wingspans reaching up to 3.5 meters, 11.5 feet, and bodies over 1 meter, 3.3 feet in length. These magnificent birds are exceptional gliders, able to soar for hours without flapping their wings, covering thousands of kilometers in a single journey. Albatrosses are also known for their remarkable longevity, with some individuals living over 60 years. An interesting fact about albatrosses is their unique mating behavior. They perform elaborate courtship dances and typically mate for life, forming long-lasting pair bonds. With their impressive wingspans, unparalleled gliding abilities, and fascinating life history, albatrosses are truly one of nature's most extraordinary seabirds. Subscribe for more incredible facts about the world's most fascinating creatures.